Will my Morris Minor MX5 be able to roll again today is the big question. So I'm just about to go in now and finish bolting up all of the suspension. Wheel arches were reshaped yesterday. If you want to find out more, I'd be really appreciative if you would like and subscribe to my Rust&Roses workshop YouTube channel. And hopefully if you stick around and follow me, we'll all find out whether this is going to work. Absolutely having a mare of a day. Front end's together now, suspension's all on, but the back end, the bolts that go through the bottom of the dampers, they just won't line up, and I've spent hours with bars underneath the car, and I'm kind of beginning to think that I want to walk away. I'm going to crack on for a little bit longer, and I really hope that today, you know, we can end this video by putting rage back on the floor and actually seeing what happens. But in the meantime, this is my current situation. And the bolt is going through the first bit of the damper, but then the other side is not quite lining up, and I can't, because of the layout of the car underneath, I can't quite see whether the holes are lining up or not. It's just a real nuisance. So I'm just going to continue pissing about with my bar, and yeah, can you pray for me? Okay, so I can't take the car evenly up from, because there's a part of the container floor that hasn't been linished, which means I can't get the jack in the middle, and if I go much higher at the front it's going to become a little bit unstable, and there's a jack on the sill on the other side, so I'm just going to lower it down gently at the front onto this one, and just do it a step at a time. I don't want to be in trouble, so I'm going to go down really slowly with this one just in case. If I didn't take it down this way, the car would be at quite a nasty tilt, and I don't want to crush my little dog, who's always laying in the way. Okay, so that's that side down a little bit further. Let me just get the other side down, and then we'll come back to this one and we will see for sure if the ride height is fixed. For those of you that don't know, and you can see me walking around in Crocs, I've had an operation on my foot and I can't get any type of work boot or shoes on at the moment. Crocs are the only things that I can deal with, so please don't tell me in the comments because I already know. This is just what I don't like. Okay, it's just an axle stand that's, yeah, just positioned itself. It's okay. Jumping a little bit though. Okay, that's that one out. So slowly on this side now, and then we should be able to come down on the other side too. Now the side that I'm letting down now is the one that the wheel arch was really digging into the tyre, so Pray for me. Nearly there, nearly there. Okay, we're still looking incredibly low. We're still looking incredibly low at the back, and the block of wood that I've put to stop the car rolling forward is going to get caught under the bodywork, so let's just get that moved. Looking incredibly low at the back, but I'm just hoping it's because obviously the front's right up in the air. Okay, so yeah, that's that side. Right, let's get this side down, and it's absolute shit or bust. Must finish this floor, but I refuse to do it while I've got a series engine strip down in here. That was my best move. This side. The sills on this car are pretty awesome. They're extremely decent, very chunky. Let's just get it up high enough to release that axle stand. Peanut, out from the car. Out! Go! Quickly! Out! Naughty little dog does insist. Being under the car. Right, here we go, moment of truth. Out! Oh my god, these were rage. Well, it's rolling. We saw that. Just rolled onto the block that I put there just in case. Okay, he's on the floor and is looking okay, and he rolled the minute that he was off that jack. So here's the passenger side clearance. That's better. So it's got the standard MX5 springs on. This wheel arch didn't need altering height wise. There was just a bit of the back of the wing that needed adjusting, so that one's okay. This is the one that's really, really worrying me. Oh wow, brilliant. So this wing was the one that had a lot of cutting work done, and it still needs sorting out. But even when you've given that a bit of time to settle, there's a huge gap there. So I'm thinking we may have fixed the problem. Now the only thing is the back is looking a little low. Let me just take you to it. But I think it's because it has the wide arches that sort of flare out. So it's got a fair bit of room under there, and actually where the sort of tyre is at its highest point here, it looks like it's going to miss, but I think only time will tell. So there we go. You saw it here first with me. The car's incredibly low. It's absolutely slammed. It's not something that, you know, I am really sort of phased by, but yeah. Oh, that's amazing. I can now go home, have a shower and have a glass of wine. Cheers everybody for watching this with me and sharing.